There's another way to enter bills. Most likely, you have bills that you pay every month, such as rent, utilities, cell phone, and so on. You can enter the bill and then memorize it to make it easier to enter each month. And that's what this video is all about. First, I'll show you how to memorize the bill, and then I'll show you how to pay it. On the home page, click Enter Bills. So here you would fill out the bill as normal. Choose the vendor. I'm choosing my internet services vendor. If the bill amount is the same every month, you could enter the amount due. If the amount will vary, you could leave it blank. For this vendor, it's the same every month, so I will type the amount due. QuickBooks has pre-filled the expense account I associated with this vendor. When you press Tab, QuickBooks enters the amount that you entered in the Amount Due field. To have QuickBooks memorize the bill, just click Memorize. Here you can choose if you want to be reminded, how often you want to be reminded, and the next reminder date. You could select Do Not Remind Me, or Automatic Transaction Entry, which is what I'll choose for this bill. This way, QuickBooks will automatically enter the bill for you, and you can choose how often, so it's a monthly bill, so I will choose monthly. And for the next date, enter the date the bill is usually due on, and that's the end of the month for this vendor. You can skip the number remaining field if the bill will be ongoing. And then in the Days in Advance to Enter field, type the number of days before the bill is due that you want QuickBooks to enter the bill. And I will choose 5. Then click OK to save your settings. You don't have to save the bill you just entered to have QuickBooks memorize it, so we can just close the bill window and choose No. So we selected that QuickBooks should enter the bill automatically, but if you didn't select that option, you'll need to open the memorized bill and turn it into a bill that is due. To open a memorized bill, go to the List menu and choose Memorized Transaction List. And here is the bill you just entered. And the check mark indicates that it will be automatically entered by QuickBooks. But for a bill that isn't automatically entered, you could select it and click Enter Transaction. And you could change the amount or enter the amount if the amount due field is empty. And click Save and Close. So that's how you set up and use recurring bills.